Infertility is more common than most people think, and yet it is surrounded by silence and so many myths. So, hi, I'm Dr. Sonam Tiwari, a fertility specialist and a reproductive surgeon. So, today I'll be busting top 5 myths about infertility so that you can stop blaming yourself and understanding your body. So let's go to the myths. The first myth is that it's always the woman's fault. In reality, infertility is equally due to male and female factors. In fact, about 40% of the cases involve a male factor. Then that could be low sperm count, or there's defect in the morphology, or there's poor motility. That's why we always recommend both partners get evaluated. The fact is 40% male, 40% female, and 20% unexplained infertility. So moving to the second myth, which is age does not matter until after 40. My darlings, fertility starts to decline after 30 and more sharply after 35, especially for your sperm quality, for your egg quality. Now, even if your periods are regular, your egg health may be reducing silently. So for that, we offer egg freezing and fertility screening even in your early 30s, because awareness is power. Then moving to the third myth, which is if you already had one baby, you'll never have problem conceiving again. Now this is called secondary infertility, and yes, it's very real. And most important, common causes are hormonal changes, again age, or PCOS, or if past deliveries complications that can also affect future fertility. But the good news again is that it's treatable with the right support. Moving to the fourth myth, that IVF always means twins or triplets. Now, thanks to the advancement in IVF, now usually we transfer just one healthy embryo to reduce the risk. So twins is not the goal. A healthy singleton pregnancy is the goal in IVF. IVF is not one size fits all. It's always personalized and much safer today than it used to be before. So the fifth myth is that relaxing will fix everything. Now, stress can affect hormones, yes, but it's never the sole cause of infertility. The myth only adds guilt to women who are already doing their best. Please understand that infertility is a medical condition and it's not a mindset problem. So please stop blaming yourself and seek answers instead. In the end, I'd only like to say that infertility is tough. It's tough emotionally and physically, but the first step is always going to be information. If you've been trying for 6 to 12 months without success, please do not wait. Let's explore what's going on and find the best path forward together. So comment your questions below or DM for a private fertility consult. Please remember that health matters.